Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl the trend allure. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. Yes, I changed the name of the channel from Trend Allure to the Trend Allure. Okay, for those asking, yeah, it's still me. Okay, so let's talk about this soap. So this soap, this is what it is. This is the whitening, half-cast whitening soap. And this soap, the ingredient contains goat milk, there is turmeric, there is coconut oil, essential oils, and a little bit of fragrance in here. So this soap is very mild on the skin. It is a black soap and it is from Ghana. Okay, the soap they use in making this is from Ghana. This is how it looks in. It doesn't have harsh smell. It has a really, well, I call it citrusy smell. So this is how it looks like. And this is 5,000 naira. This soap is going to last you, okay, especially if you're using it for only your body, but you can also use it for your face because it contains natural ingredients. So for this one tends to maintain fair skin. Even though they wrote half-cast whitening soap, it does not whiten your skin. This particular soap is for fair people and it tends to help to maintain their skin. Okay, just bring up their skin complexion and maintain it. So it's like a maintenance soap. This is what this soap is used for. So if you're caramel skin, if you're fair skin, this is the one you should get. So if you're chocolate skin or you're a darker skin, or you're dark but your face is very dark, it's darker than your body, this is the one to go for. Okay, so this one is the 24K Ancient Gold Garden soap, and you can see there that there are a lot of ingredients used in here. We have from cocoa to carrot to turmeric to shea butter. So this one is anti-wrinkle, anti-toxin, and anti-acne. So this one does not whiten the skin. It actually tends to brighten out the skin a bit. So it's for people that are dark, and it's going to maintain your dark skin, but it's going to, like, how will I put the word, it's going to brighten, no, it's not going to brighten you. Okay, if your skin is very dark, let me say like your face is very dark, it's just going to, bring it out small. So it's not going to whiten you, it's just going to, like, when I say tone, it does not bleach, it's just going to tone you. And this one, I think this one is 7,000 naira. This is how it looks like in there. I can smell ozone soap. I can smell ozone soap inside this thing. So yeah, it has really great natural ingredients as well, and it tends to just brighten the skin out a bit. I'm not going to use the word brighten because it does not brighten, it just helps to tone out the skin. So this one is for dark people and chocolate skin, okay, to give you that chocolate kind of color. That's what this one is for. Then this one is to maintain your fair skin. So maintain your fair skin, to clear out your pigmentation if you're having acne and all. This one, because they wrote half-cast whitening, it does not half-cast anything. Like I said, it does not whiten the skin. It just helps to maintain fair skin. So if your skin is fair, you have to use this to maintain it. If you have caramel tone skin, you have to use this to maintain it, and it is mild on the skin. There are some products that or black soap you use that tends to dry out the skin. This one does not dry out the skin. This one even helps to moisturize the skin. You can use this one and still don't even rub. For people that don't like rubbing cream, your skin is not going to be dried out. I don't know what the magic they put inside, but yeah. And it is pure Ghana soap. If you have tried out pure Ghana soap, it's different from, there are different ones. When you see pure Ghana soap, there was a time I was making soap and I was getting the pure Ghana soap. There is the white one and there is the black one. It's not really black, it's, I don't even know how to describe it, but that was really nice. And you can use only the soap on its own. It tends to hydrate. The problem was it was hard getting the soap to Nigeria. It was very hard, like there was no way they could send it. I don't know, but it was really hard. And yeah, it's quite expensive, but yeah, these two soap, if you want it, you can let me know. I could get it for you or give you the contact to the person that sells. I don't know the person. The person right now is in Ghana. You know, she's going to restock her things. Or yeah, I could do that. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video.